What's up, world? What's going on? I'm Will, aka BB Sticks. I've been playing drums for about 8 years now. I started out in church as a child, but I've been going strong now for 8 years. I play for artists all over Philadelphia, all over New Jersey, all over Delaware. Collision Sticks, Drumsticks, thanks for having me, man. Thanks for having me. I chose Collision Drumsticks because of the durability. The durability, the strength, and especially the reach. The reach, check it out. Right here, I got the 7A's. The 7A reach right here. I go from 7A's. Then when I want some more power, I go to the 5A reach. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's a 5A reach right there. So, here we go, y'all. Vegas Nights, produced by me. And by the way, new music on the way. Thanks, Collision.